if you have to leave a pile because you can't, there's, ooh, good one, Sally. Sally, you can dump that pile there and then come back and get it. Just no, nobody will take them. You can just dump them right here in the corner.
No one can take where I'm dumping my eggs.
Okay. All right, those will be yours. Those will be yours. That's all right, Sally. That's all right. Those are those are Sally's. Those are Sally's.
I'm joking.
Yeah. Okay, keep going. They're all over, and don't forget your bunny eggs.
I'm looking for my bunny eggs.
Ooh, Daisy, good work.
Your prize egg first.
You may find your bunny egg. The bunny eggs are out in front.
Where's the front?
The front of the house.
Over here, I'll show you. The front is over here.
Okay, Grandma's coming around.